Vise. How do I even begin to describe Vise?
Vise's flawless.
I heard they do pho commercials in Vietnam.
I heard their office is insured for $10,000.
Being Vise is like being famous. Everyone just knows who you are.
This one time, I saw Kathy Lee wearing army pants and a Vise shirt, so I bought army pants and a Vise shirt.
One time, she met Tommy Ngo at Paris by Night, and he told her she was pretty.
Once, she punched me in the face. It was awesome. It was like happiness on my face.
So how do you get in Vise?
You just sign up.